All right, good morning, everybody. As you're aware, we're starting our marketing unit today, and we're going to start it with a project. It's going to take today and our next class. And in this project, you guys are going to brainstorm new products to sell, and then you're going to be thinking about how to market those products, and you're actually going to pitch those products to potential investors, which is actually going to be the class, and we're going to basically grill you on your product and how you plan on selling it. We're going to start by watching a few clips from the television show Shark Tank, in which people who have ideas for a business pitch those ideas to wealthy investors, and then the wealthy investor asks them questions about it, and then at the end the investors can decide whether or not they want to invest in that particular business or not. So we're going to start with that. After you watch your Shark Tank episode, you'll be split into 3-person groups in which you're going to brainstorm some new product ideas. You're going to try and come up with your own product or own service, something innovative and novel and new. And once you've done that, you're going to create your own Shark Tank style presentation for that idea. You'll have some time to prepare those presentations. In the next class, you will present. You'll pitch your product or service, and following that, we'll conclude our activity with something called a SCAMPER activity. SCAMPER is an acronym that stands for substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to another use, eliminate, and reverse. Basically, it's a way of thinking of new ways to use your product, new ways to market it, and new ways to use it, new ways to produce it, use it, and market it. So, okay, so that's our plan. We'll start with our clips from Shark Tank now. I have a handout for you to fill out as you watch it. You'll be analyzing each product that gets presented and answering some questions about it. So that's how we'll start. Emma, what's your product that you ended up going with?
I did an app that allows you to track and pay for trolleys in your area.
An app that lets you track and pay for what?
Trolleys in your area, and it shows the info that they're talking about on the screen.
Trolleys in the area? Like public transportation?
No, the tourist ones.
Oh, like the tourist trolleys.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, very cool. Is there anything you could combine this product with? Could this app be used to combine it to track something else as well? Or how did you answer that second set of questions under the combine heading? What did you write? Did you type anything down? Okay, what about adapt? Can you adapt the app for some other purpose?
So instead of it just being used to track and pay for it, it also shows the information. Because you know how whenever you go on the tourist trolleys, they tell you stuff about Savannah.
Yeah.
This stuff also that they're saying also pops up on the screen based on where you are.
Okay, very good. So in addition to tracking the trolleys, it's going to tell you, give you the information that they're saying so you can read it in addition to hearing it. Leela, what was your product?
I did an adjustable hourglass.
Okay, so an hourglass that has the sand going through it that marks time?
That you can adjust so that there's different time increments on it.
Oh, okay, so you can, instead of it being an hourglass that is typically for 1 hour, you would be able somehow to adjust the amount of time. Okay, very cool. When you were picturing this product, was there anything that you could think of, any way you could streamline it from your original idea?
said that you could like use a few things and like make a modern design so it's kind of like more appealing to like houses. It's more like a decorative item.
Okay. Okay, Sam, can you tell us your product?
I don't have a product. I have a service.
Oh, I'm sorry, a service. What's your service?
A video game coach.
Now, is this, are you thinking this would be like something you would do, like, so you would like Skype with this person or call them, or they would physically come to your house, or what are you envisioning?
Because most of games are multiplayer now, I could just get in the game with them and talk to them.
Okay, all right, very cool. All right, so I have a tough question that's been giving students trouble all day. So if you can just tell us maybe what you put or your thoughts on it. The question was the reverse. So if you were to try to do the opposite of this, how would you do the exact opposite of what you're trying to do now? How did you answer that question?
I just said, what does this even mean? Because I really didn't know what the opposite of a video game coach was, and the question was...
What about this? And you guys see if this makes sense. I think that your service is particularly suited to this question because the opposite of getting somebody to help you would be get somebody to come in on this multiplayer game and make everybody else lose. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.